Listen and listen me careful. The Kung Fu people want to take this city. No. But we, Karatis, we own this city, not them. You concur?
Yes, Commander.
You concur?
Yes, Commander.
So we, the Karatis, they're not going to allow them to take this city because they are strangers. Obibia, Bohu, the Kung Fu, Nibiano, Omafiano. A Coco Baby, my name Mayor. And you guys know that me and Mayor are one. Say, but they are strangers. We own this city. Really, at this year for a while.
Don't know. The Kung Fu people are giving us troubles, problems, and nkwasiasem. So we are not going to tolerate their nonsense.
Commander, if I understood you right, and if I really decoded what you said very well, then it means you are telling us that you've given us the mandate and the audacity to deal with the Kung Fu people just as we wish and desire. You've given us the authority to handle them our own way. Thank you, sir.
If you never go, you share any high, I'm my own home, I'm a dear.
Good morning, lady. This is my first time seeing you. Where is the seller? And where is the old seller, the one who was here? You mean you bought this store? From who?
Mario Neton man.
Mario Neton store man. Mario on and Sanfua, Mario Eddie. Nebo, Mario Tina Ton store na mobi, Wabro more money. And Mario Boa money.
So you no, I'm not aware. So you mean Mario sold this store to you without my consent? Lady, let me tell you, it is an illegal. Let me tell you, if you said you bought this store from Mario, it is impossible. I am the mayor in this town. Unless I sign it. Let me tell you, bear that in mind.
Me patrol be brave. Me son make asasa, why me patrol be brave. And me make asasa, me statutory them ma plant 5 years. People expire for the brand of my.
Lady, it's better for you to close this store within 5 minutes. Or else, I'll call the city guy to come and deal with you.
Me patrol me no niasem. And first I didn't know statutory deeper me dia chest store we wa. O be catch me say, who be 5 minutes. Me patrol be brave. Wo de me no niasem. Mario no na me ne wasem. It's ono na me wo bibia me ne be ye. Anasa also wo bibia ne ne enya me. Me fault why patrol be brave.
You hear from me.
Mami, what's a mayor in the book for our I said, well, can I so panity? It is a squad that don't have a good hand. City guys are one of my man. It's a very good, sir, but to Boko, no coffee aquaquada. Obenyasa for you, Bunibet, Yankana said, Mario, I a criminal. What's what me at home store now, I brought my papers and so you more, you ma.
It is statutory, dear, my match here. Oh, more practice. Why not for the corner? Mario
is a criminal. And to me, some more, poor men, more guidelines, and bad boy. Who's like Ejo Yano? Now,
oh, now Mario is not here. Okay, me need to be a better car. We need the apostle. We need the apostle. Me want Sana. Well, your friend be free mind.
That's our mayor.
I bet you said I just a people spin a day there. Was me 5 minutes. Take a man to some crime for I can name your Cassandra. Catch it. Me the day time me buy any answer from Sika Mammy.
You mean mayor came to the store today?
Aye.
What is wrong with mayor?
Ah, was this store no? Or no one sign a pan tea. Obey me out to stone him. Catch it. Scam the amount is capital. But that woman, the patrol, may not just stone him.
Just relax, okay? Meaning the Bekasa as man to man. Whatever is there, we will settle everything and then.
Come in, we are coming out for people, the map. And son of this canama.
Who said business? I go, I'm what I said here and there, me call me bad time. What I say?
But they're crashing. Oh, for me, see, come, Mamma. Some it's here.
Abby,
come on,
listen to me.
For me, see, come, Mamma. Share.
Can you hear me in time? Just on a man. It's kind of quiet. Right now, some folks come on, make first kind of family.
That you treat the any bear one at what you do.
Oh, that's it.
What you do? Me saw 1 week. Turn a family sick and mammy crashing. Now, my man, I don't have back to you. Whoa, I never papa knew you.
Hello.
Who's there?
Come outside.
Outside. Alright, a minute. Oh. Yo.
Who's so home with my show?
Why?
When you the fish so bad, you can't get a check. I should tell.
Are they?
So many.
Daddy.
Letter from office.
From who?
Mayor sent me.
Mayor.
Yeah.
You see this house? Yeah. That is the house of the military man. I mean the soldier man that I've been telling you about. This is where the karate people are. Yeah. So he stays here. He is the leader of the karate people.
Okay.
Yeah, so due to that, they are really doing bad things around our hood, which we don't like.
Welcome once more. And thank you very much, say, referring with me at the Kayensa. Now the situation is above me. I've tried all my best. I've fight every good fight for peace to prevail on this land, but still to no avail. You know, say, when it comes to this land, any attitude growing, and as I say, almost half of it belongs to us. We've toiled with our blood. We've worked and worked and worked to gain all this access. But we will leave our assets for them and go back to our land. You understand? That is why I called for your help. So that peace is all that I'm looking for.
Okay. In addition to what Madam just said, you remember when we were coming, when I showed you the military man's house?
Yeah.
Do you remember? Okay. The military man, he's close to the mayor. Due to that, he passes any information that he wants to the mayor. So it gives bad implications about us. We're the Kung Fu people. Do you understand? So due to that, I'm expecting you and I believe in you that when you come, we're going to encounter peace.
My idea is I'm going to coordinate. Karatman and Kung Fu. Ishia meeting. Now, you be say what you say. Yen Kung Fu for me. Say. Ya he bone ya etia wo mu a na se ya ade bi omumpa omun kan kire because the one frame meeting ne ya musa de kodie ntia ye ade bia problem de bia fight be hardly serious so pe peace dia just a frame meeting on now be finding out who say ye mom na information free and now some from so free or more to problem no person to you have to call meeting.
You have a point there. It's a very great idea. I really support that. I'll call for a meeting. Other one too, I would want you to advise my sister over here for me. She is my problem right now. What to the for auntie? She is more than town helper in this land. What you say? Baby, Obaka Samana Nkono, a one of a problem. When you say your problem, you don't go to where your problem is. But no, I've done all my possible best, but still, she's not listening. So I'm begging you, please talk to her for me.
You boy. Yeah, I don't want me a baby in a chesa. Masa, when him says I lie with so you can see in our chesa. So, Massa, you're not bra. Cause you know who be a do her nice or to Mempesa lie. But then you be a pet to pa. Okay.
Papa never phone back on ever.
Hey, John boy. Blah 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 blah.
Hey, Kambla, senior man from now who is slow motion. You get it.
Masa brand new Muhammad Jado in our church. I don't know what they are. My more character for I just say, my baby, we are 100 so much half. I say against us one day in you.
Nothing can you guys do to stop us, the Cartmen, from ruling this city. Nothing. Are you reading my lips? I mean nothing. We are going to rule this city forever and ever. Nothing.
What say?
I said we are going to rule this city forever and then ever.
Yeah, you can't want that.
You call yourself what? Street guys, and then you street guys want to control this city. Never put that in mind. Do you understand?
Yeah, I'm booking. We a senior man. So what you say? We continue. Me cooler, they won't me. We make my man one hit. I'm not to make it. No book a castle kill.
What's our you see? My moon said, oh, yeah, when you're after when in Tom. What you say? Oh, they won't anything. You come come me. Clan where you stop on the attitude here.
Why are you fighting him?
Who can you be an orchestra anyhow?
Hey, Leon. T.
When some who say you be Romana. Massa, now Conco. Ah, maybe what it to answer more to Sumuja.
So you can't fight me like a man, right?
Now we are fine.
That's it.
No, it's okay.
What's wrong?
Who is Aisha?
Aisha, the Kung Fu girl. Yeah, right. I know. Why? What is it?
What's going on between you guys?
Aisha?
I heard you and that lady is going out.
What? Why are you saying something like this? Why would I go in for a Kung Fu girl? You know I'm a karate guy. So why would you do that? So is it because of that girl giving me this attitude?
Of course, because I wouldn't want to share my man with any other girl.
So you don't trust me, Zofia?
I trust you, but then I had it, so I need to find out the truth.
Oh shit. You shouldn't do that. You know how much I love you, Zofia.
So I should trust you, right?
Karate and then Kung Fu, like we have nothing in common.
Really?
You know how much I love you, Zofia.
Really?
Sure.
Leon, if I find out, if I see you both, you know what I'm capable of. You know what I can do.
Zofia, don't you trust me anymore?
Okay.
Come on. So are you coming inside us?
No.
Really?
Of course. I just came because of that.
So you are leaving?
Of course. What do you expect me to do?
No problem. You let me escort you.
I can see you are enjoying. By the way, who gave you the audacity to come and eat at such a place? Are you not aware that this place belongs to us? Or probably you've not inquired? Okay, well, then I'm here to tell you. This place is not meant for people like you. We are the kind of people and the class of people that eat here. And besides, you know, this kind of food is not meant for people like you. It's meant for us. Do you get it? That which is meant for humans are not meant to be given to dogs. In case you don't know.
Are you here to buy yourself a food or you are here to raise insult on us?
Whichever way you take it, you have to leave this place this very minute.
Wow.
Okay, well, I don't want to be inhuman to, let's say, probably spend some money in buying this small size food. If it were to be us, we would have bought something better. But then, I'll do you this favor by allowing you guys to choose from these alternatives. It's either you match us boot for boot outside this place, and whoever wins comes back to take this food. So that is, if you win, you come enjoy your meal. But then if we win, we the Karate people, if we take over you, you come and enjoy this meal. And this meal is not even enough to satisfy us, so you have to get us extra meal. As you can see, we are 4 in number. Do you understand? Is that okay with you?
Wait.
Good. So,
Kung Fu man. Come and face me. I am the karate master. Come fight me like a man.
Mayor, as you can see, Yenya horse from Kopi Krawa. Kwambeba maybe some dintia or Hano play.
Go ahead.
Abrante. Okay. Maybe sir, I don't pay on answer here. Mayor. Me Kung Fu master. Me free baby ne buy. Me besra. Magusia Moko Masi.
So what brought you here?
By me teaching Sembebre about the karate and the kung fu. Okay. Come to Kluman. I say, Asumje anyhow. I don't know, me buy as a penny. I will see me 2 and more cinema.
peace between karate and the kung fu. So because of peace that I'm here.
It is good that you are here. But you see, the cause of these problems are from your camp. You kung fu people, you don't want to abide by the laws of the city. So it's better you advise them, if only they want peace.
Mayor, I've heard what you said. I'll make sure say my advice you ama di emraso. You say who kuna so ani mraso a kuni ntimi ntumpon. Enti mayor message say
Yes. Yes. Very, very necessary.
It's necessary.
No one is above the law.
No one is above the law.
Be anyhow was similar.
Equality before the law.
And no, not just no one.
That is it.
As I told you earlier, for 1 or 2 things. This is the house that I was talking about, my uncle's house.
Wow, such a huge house.
We've not started the renovation yet, but we are about to.
So, do you live here alone?
Yeah, I live alone, but at times the karate, the guys, they come here and then we have some training and then rehearsals,
Now that you've mentioned the karate, there's something I really want to ask you.
About?
Do you think this thing that we are doing, I'm from the Kung Fu family and you are from the karate family?
Yeah, sure.
So do you think it won't cause any problems?
The Kung Fu, the karate shouldn't, distract us at all, I said I love you, so anything, anywhere, I got your back, okay? I'll be there to protect you, okay?
Because I personally wouldn't want to cause trouble for my family.
I understand you very, very well. I got your back, alright?
Are you sure?
Forget, huh?
Okay, you say so.
Yeah, sure. Let's get inside.
Okay.
Whoever you call yourself. I don't even want to know whoever you are. But listen to me. Leon is my boyfriend. He is my sweetheart. Listen, stay far away from my boyfriend. Do you get me? You people, I don't even know what is wrong with you. You're not even needed here. You came from nowhere. Instead of you people to respect yourself and be in your lane, you are crossing with me. You dare cross with me? Oh my God, you failed totally. Whoever that sent you, kindly go back and tell that person you came, but you couldn't succeed. Do you understand?
Have you ever seen me following your guy?
Of course.
He followed me. In fact, he proposed to me.
What nonsense.
Baby girl.
Oh.
Just spare your breath, okay?
Can you believe it? Can you imagine?
Spare your breath. You're talking too much. Don't stress yourself. Spare your breath. No, you... Wait, I'm talking. No, you said what? The guy came to propose to you, and when he came, were you not aware that such a nice guy would be having a girlfriend? No, you need someone to explain that to you. And then you accepted his proposal, yeah?
So, are you two dating him?
Dating him, my fault.
Because I don't get it. Why are you trying to fight for her?
You don't have sense. You don't have manners. In fact, you were not trained. Okay?
Okay. I think I'm done here, okay? So...
No. What is the meaning of you're done? I'm talking to you and you are passing by. Signifying what?
Don't touch me.
I shouldn't touch you. Princess Tyra, I shouldn't touch you, right?
Oh God.
Get back.
When I was attacking a member, no, Charlie, mafia, no.
Hey, Bolt.
What is happening here? What is going on? What happened to you? Why are you so messed up?
What happened? What's the problem?
But is it not the Kung Fu people?
What happened to you?
Is it not those annoying karate family?
The Kung Fu people. I waited them do.
I was coming just by the roadside and I met one lady. The way the lady has destroyed me.
I've warned you not to go close to them. You know they are our enemies. They don't want us close anywhere of their access. What were you doing there?
So it be like they don't know say be my sister. Eh? No problem, you get inside there. I know what to do. Don't worry.
Nothing.
Nothing. Ada, calm down. You see, I saw everything in my naked eyes. Since I came here, we go up and down. We share near my kakra. See their system in city. Omona omo attacking. What do you say? Ono so sua kung fu. Nto ono so kung fu also uti e defending no. Please abeg. And blame no. Onya hwe.
Yeah, no mayo. Acha Samsa. Yes, I take him. I beg, at the busy say you do office. Okay, I have serious matter. I have serious issue to discuss with you. Okay, me I dey house. I take him. Acha Samsa. Thank you, sir.
All that I've been telling this girl is to stay out of trouble. They don't want us, so you don't go close to them. It's simple. You don't go to your enemies. Come on, get out. What are you waiting for? All that I've been fighting for all these years is for us to have peace and unity in this land. But it seems they don't want peace.
Because of peace that I'm here. Nye koso okrom ha bia. Baba, se be asumbi wa.
Leon, so what is it that I'm hearing? So it's true. Look at you. Leon, you are a liar. Hey! You are a disgrace. When I came here, you told me a whole sort of words. You are my sweetheart. Sophia, I love you. I do this, I do that.
Sophia, you know what? I'm even sick and tired of you, Sophia. Why? Every day you come here, I've done this, I've done that. What is it,
You
Sophia?
are the reason why I said this and I said that. You told me you weren't going out with that girl.
Sure.
But the lady confirmed this.
What
that you are cheating on me with her.
You attacked the girl, right?
I didn't attack her.
All right.
I only wanted to know the truth.
You know
and
what?
I found it. The most important thing here is that you are a liar.
What you wanted to know is what you've gotten. So I'm in a relationship with her. I'm down with you, Sophia.
Okay.
I'm
Because
down with you.
I wouldn't want to go out anymore with somebody like you.
So you're okay now?
You asking me?
Yes, you go.
Do I seem okay? Huh? This is nonsense. What sort of stupid question is that?
Go to hell, Sophia.
Oh, okay.
I'm tired of you,
Okay.
Sophia.
Me going to hell isn't a problem. I'm never going to see you again.
Thanks.
You understand?
Thank you very much, Sophia.
For the fact that we wouldn't meet, we wouldn't see each other again, this is my uncle's house. So you gotta move, okay?
So
leave this house for me.
Driving me out, right?
Of course.
I'm going to leave your house. You're going to give me 3 months either than that.
God forbid.
Sure.
Me going to give you 3 months.
Of course.
To come here with that thing, that bitch, right?
Sophia, leave.
Listen, leave this house by tomorrow, God willing, morning. And I come to meet you here. Huh? Trust me. You leave my house, okay? Right now. Yes. Look at the kind of mansion you secure for yourself. Because we've been lenient with you guys, you are taking our leniency to be our weakness, right? I am daring you to come out this very minute.
Yes, come out.
We are coming to take over what rightfully belongs to us. Is that okay? Come out right now and face us. We are going to match you, boot for boot. Interesting. You are the Kung Fu master, right? Oh, really? You have taken over our territory. Your boys couldn't even stand us, but you are in for us, okay? Are you ready? Are you ready for us?
If you don't want any problem.
Wow. Boys.
That's him.
So you are the Kung Fu master. Nice to meet you. My baba betena asase so. I say some modi asomdwe etena asase we so. Mobile with troubles. Mesuma me nkola some mbra won chen. Because of the problems I'm all making into no. Mo be ka kire mo na mo njai. O mobile na what dey saka omo. Why? I didn't know say oh yes sir. Kung Fu master. Why? Won call an buy no. Come buy say. Senka at least come be too fo and say and come my advice bia. Enka mean discipline woman. Because of that, today I'm going to teach you a lesson. I'm going to give you so many damages. If your leader comes, let her know it's me, Kabaj, the karate master. Next guy. Let's go.
Some of you listen huh? I go back and say, someone to watch me number, more boom from the new the muja. How come?
Me, the Kung Fu people went ahead beating you.
That's it, the Kung Fu people.
This is uncalled for. Koko, are you sure of what you're saying?
Mayor, how can I lie to you?
I mean, why should they do that?
Good. That's why I'm here. So, Mayor, it means this is the time for them to leave. Mayor, please and please again, put your legs down.
Yeah, you see, Koko, I understand you, but you see, I can't just use my own power to sack them without any tangible reasons. You know, the government will not even understand that. They will act against me. So please, you see, unless you get me a tangible reason for sacking these people.
Good, Mayor. I bet you know, say you and I, we have something in common, right?
Oh, why not?
Good. You. And Mayor, the baby I want me run me. And the cock will be more. And to say so I dare hear me, and I dare to me, that's me young more. You have to do it for me.
Yes, Koko. What's your evidence? Prove to me. Prove to me, and I'll act upon it.
Really?
Yes.
Mayor, only me.
Go ahead, I'm listening.
The Kung Fu people, only that Ada, Oma protest something badly against you, Mayor.
What actually are they trying to do?
Who say Oma plan say Oma you were from Yanso? Oma you trust Akunya? Now the only that Ada na Akunya so that
you don't mean it. You don't mean it.
Yes.
You mean they are doing coup against me?
That is it.
For what reason? What power do they have to do that?
What power do they have? Good, I like that word. And what power in you? Mayor, you know this guy, Mario?
Mario?
Yes. What's the guy on over trying Hachapa? Why I said the power? What is the guy know all the corners? Only a deal with Duma Cotina. What's some corners and it's a Siano? My friend, some the tell radio so.
What? You mean Mario is behind all this?
Oh, Mama, Mario was not acted one corner the beer. It's on over radio swap. And also a Casa house. Rebels! Kill the cockroaches.
What? You mean they refer to me and my workers here as cockroaches?
Mayor, me, I'm a military man. I can defend myself. What about you, Mayor?
You see me as a cockroach?
No, please.
I will deal with him. drastically. Hello, Gideon. Listen to me, just listen to me. Where are you right now? Wherever you are, bring the car right now into my office. No questions. I say, come here right now. Come right now. I'm in the office. Mario, why should you do that? What? Mario, I said, why should you do that? What are you talking about? You are 4 people. I trusted you. You know I like you. I'm trying to bring you and the car people together. Why should you plan eliminating me? The mayor. You don't know what you are talking about. My friend, get inside the car.
What are you talking about, Mayor?
I said, get inside the car.
I don't know what you're talking about, Mayor.
Mario, get inside the car.
What is going on?
Come on, Mario, get inside. Come on, get inside.
What is going on, Mayor?
Get inside the car.
What is going on? Mayor.
Mayor, well done. I'm proud of you.
Thank you.
Well done.
Thank you.
Meniaje papa. Na onu ankasa no, Mayor, ami achi na odem no. Obohu se no ko bi eje. Won the boys in the bed.
Yes.
You have done well.
Yeah.
Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Mayor.
Go.
Very good, Mayor. In fact, you make me happy.
You're always welcome.
And I like that.
Yeah.
And you know what? One more favor.
Okay. Go ahead.
Good. Mayor, I can make person. Marry watching the view. And come in sign card heavy. Meaning me. The agreement in the say a fight. Na fight in mono. Yan kalat for na me down. Se me lusua. It means say kung fu people no. Umudima kotri all sa city ya. Se kung fu Mario no so lusua. Also ni kung fu people no. Just so mu hia. So mo city ya. It was some come back. And remember a bit boy am ask one wait me gina so. Am you move kuma. Because agreement is agreement.
Are you sure of what you're saying?
Yes.
So are you sure this fight will go in favor of you?
Oh, Mayor. That's how we could na Betty of the Gina way. About Mary at it. It's no Mayor, my person cabers and sign be an abaso.
You see, you were complaining that I don't side with you, but it shows that it's not like that. So anyway, so you mean I should go ahead?
Mayor, right now. And you know me, and I know myself, I'm me. I know what I'm talking about. Just do it for me. Let my brother. Thank you.
Hi, baby.
Right now, I'm at the training grounds right now. There's a battle, an ongoing battle right now between your uncle Mario and then my master.
What did you just say?
And the disagreement is when Mario loses this fight, you Kung Fu guys, you are out of the city.
My uncle Mario? How? Why did he even sign such an agreement without me or my sisters knowing?
They're even about to start, so I can't talk, like, I don't want to talk on phone again, so just come and witness everything yourself.
Okay, I'm coming, I'll be there. I'm coming, okay, I'll be there right now, okay, bye.
Mayo, why are you so quiet like that? Mayo, don't worry about anything. I told you Coco beat Mario. Now see, victory belongs to Coco. She say, I was a Kung Fu for him. If you come along, and you just am I in? It's Mario. This is your person, your mamma say. Sign letter and mammy. Now, me, the Aqua Kung Fu people. No more free room happen.
You see, Ogide, it pains me a lot. It will be a bad record for me that in my generation, the Kung Fu people were sacked from this city. And that's what is bothering me right now.
I know, but what you are thinking is not working.
What is it?
I think we have a problem.
What problem is that?
I got a call from my boyfriend Leon from the Karat family. Mario has been captured and it's going to be a fight between him and the military guy. What? And he has signed an agreement between Mario, the military guy, and the mayor. Whoever wins, if Mario wins, we the Kung Fu family will have to stay in the city. If he loses, then we have to evacuate.
Mario signed agreement of which we know nothing about.
I decided to go there and see what's happening. Then I saw Mario fighting the military guy. And he lost. You should have seen the way the Karat guys were happy. They were jubilating. I even saw one on phone. I think he was talking to the mayor.
Asem we ne ko mayor no hankasa makobisa. You say no question no kwe mini. Se me kom na say no kwe dia. Kung fu for yan sign. Me wo ho.
I have no option. Okay. Than to sign it.
Mayor, just sign for
pains me a lot.
Sorry. Me wo fiana, me wo fast be ka chem say wa witness fight bia between the military man and then Mario. And I mean who say Mario because of say what they fiasin amani a wo femu ni adenti no agreement wo ni kwan so ko nanso no ko because of Serbia we need to be free fiase ho na no kwa tom ntina me who say ntina man ko sa agreement no what lose fight no the end of the day agreement is agreement. Mayo, mesra wade baako. Say many kung fu master. Mami kwan na me military man so no. Yemfa fight baako engine. Na so defeat me a yen kung fu fo ebeti ye ho ase. Ne ehun se ye kwa ne ye ko. Na se me defeat na wa asem de belongs to Mayo.
I have expected this day for a long time, and here we are. I'm very, very happy. My little advice for us all is that henceforth, let's see ourselves as one family. You all saw what happened. Let us see ourselves as one. Whether Kung Fu people or Karate people, we are all one people. So please, I will urge all of you that we should all come together, work hand in hand to bring progress into this city, to attract people from outside, to make this city as a tourist city. So please, let us advise our people that if all come together with an agreement, I'm going to sign an agreement with all of you that from now onwards, we are all one people, we are all one family, one city. Thank you.